Amazon Kitchen Find. This is a fridge turntable which lets you easily grab items in the back of the fridge. This pot and pan set comes with detachable handles so you can clip it on the one you're using, which saves you a ton of space in your cabinet. These are magnetic bottle holders that attach to the top of your fridge so you can grab a bottle when you need it. This is a rice dispenser that has a cup with holes on the side so you can wash your rice before cooking. This gadget lets you easily take the pit out of strawberries so you don't need to use a knife. This paper towel holder can be placed in your cabinet, which gives you more counter space, and it can dispense sheets one at a time. This is a flat mop which makes it easy to clean any mess on the floor or the walls, and you can wash the mop pads after each use. This is a rack that fits on most sinks, and you can use it to dry your dishes. This is an electric can opener that magically rotates around the can, and it doesn't leave any sharp edges. This gadget shreds chicken instantly so you don't need to use your blender. If you have used cooking oil, get this powder that magically solidifies it so you can easily scoop it out of the pan.